So, fourth question natin, Sir Court. Okay, ang ating fourth question, para sa e-commerce newbies, paano nakakatulong ang School of Profits sa pag-build ng store?
Oh, that's a great question. So, again, the School of Profits is hindi lang siya for freelancing, virtual assistant, or agency, but this is also applicable sa mga gustong kumita with the help of e-commerce or dropshipping. So, since this is from basic to advanced curriculum in the community where you can learn from basic to advanced talaga, no? Kung wala kang idea what is e-commerce, andun siya from start, from basic, paano gumawa ng store, paano mag-product research, paano mag-craft ng images, mag-Facebook ads, hanggang sa maran mo ng successful yung sarili mong store. That is included as well in the community. So, yeah, grabe, napaka-exciting kasi we are adding a lot of e-commerce training pa where people can learn as well there. Ayun, that is free community. So, yeah, I'm excited.
Yes, and given those information, of course, guys, from scratch, tuturuan nila kayo. So, kaya if you have time, just tune in. And of course, it is a free community at wala namang bayad yon, libre lang siya.